we're not farmers, right? And, our industry and our business is really built on grain. Without the farmers and without that ability to access the products that are being made by the great folks out in the county, we don't have a product.
Collaboration is key, is the most important factor, because alone we will not be able to make any impact. We need to work together with our suppliers, in this case Great Lakes Grain. We need to work together with NGOs that has the boots on the ground, has the right connection, that will allow to disperse the knowledge, to train our farmers and make sure that everybody can benefit from this collaboration.
As much as we can research the practices and research the outcomes and research how and why to do things, in this context, it's farmers that have to do it. And therefore, farmers need to be there from the beginning.
As the farmer in this part of the collaboration, I think the recognition and some of the financial recognition that what I do comes at a bit of a cost, and the industry's commitment to help with that it just makes it more feasible for me, makes it more feasible for other farmers to do a better job taking care of their soils.
Production in general of raw materials in this region will change towards a more sustainable way.
Everyone's bringing a different perspective, different experience. I think that we don't know all of the answers just yet, and so it's going to take different people coming together, farmers, industry, academia, to try and find a path forward to ultimately to help our farmers experiment with new farming practices and see what works and what doesn't work, and ultimately find a solution that's sustainable in the long term for our growers.
Really, what we're looking for is a more sustainable approach to production of alcohol. We care about the environment. We want to be, known as good stewards and helping people to be good stewards. So taking the approach of it's all about building those sustainable blocks for the future and doing so in a way that encourages people to keep working with us. And that's, again, it's key: collaboration and respect.
In being so involved on a number of programs that are starting to emerge on the landscape, I am really genuinely excited about how unique this one is. I think we're going to learn a lot, and I think we're going to get a lot of great work done.
This is an opportunity for people to tell their stories, to document what's going on, so that we can then turn around and say, hey, we made this fantastic bottle of Wiser's. It's been done in a sustainable way. We can go back to the farm and say that this alcohol came from this field, right? That's my real goal at the end of the day, is to be able to connect the farmer to the final product, tell that story all the way through. And again, we sit around, we share a drink, we tell our stories, we learn from each other. It's a great, great, great opportunity for everybody.